Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Statesman newspaper Sudoku Barcelona March 15, 2022 3-star Sudoku. Column F. 3 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 7. 6th row we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in with the 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. 8th grade we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth row, 4 numbers are remaining 1, 2, 3, 8. 5th grade, on column I we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th grade, we have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Since 1 is here, so 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Eighth row we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 9. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade, only 5 numbers are remaining 2, 3, 5 and 7, 8. 2nd row and 4th row we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column E, 4th row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. That 2 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Remaining numbers we will confirm later. Second grade we have 4 and 9. Column G we have 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, only 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Column C also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C, column D we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column J we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 7. Column D we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining 2, 5, 6. Column H we have 5 and 6. So 5 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Then only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 5 and 6 we will confirm later. 10th row, only 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 9. we will confirm later. Column D, 4 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 6, 4. Third row, we have 4, 6, 8. The 3 numbers can't come in this cell, it will come in another 3 cells. Then only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. Column B, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come into the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Second row we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Third row we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column H and column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, only 1 number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Since 9 is here, 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column H, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.